How to import and export bookmarks in Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, go to Bookmarks and Lists, then select Bookmark Manager. You can also press Ctrl-Shift-O to open it instantly. Once you're in the Bookmark Manager, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. To back up your bookmarks, select Export Bookmarks. Choose where you want to save the HTML file, then click Save. Now, if you want to import bookmarks, open the same three-dot menu in the Bookmark Manager and select Import Bookmarks. Locate the HTML bookmark file you exported earlier, select it, and click Open. Chrome will automatically import all of your bookmarks, and they'll appear in your Bookmarks bar or inside an Imported Bookmarks folder. That's it. You've successfully exported and imported bookmarks in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and easy tech guides.